From there things got even more interesting. On the sidelines of the conference, a Vietnamese filmmaker was shooting a documentary on the South China Sea and asked me on camera what I thought of the claims. Without being able to do any in-depth reading or fact-checking the piece, I expressed hope the report would be proven untrue, but if somehow Beijing was bold enough to make such a claim, it would only go further to cement the narrative as China becoming an international bully, taking the concept of what I referred to as Mapfare to a whole new level. The never-ending ups and downs of what is quickly becoming the hottest geostrategic flashpoint on the planet, none other than the South China Sea, was the subject of a conference at Yale University this last May. Panels were filled with world-class experts promoting their latest research, including yours truly, detailing the various claims, counterclaims and strategic challenges surrounding this important body of water. And yet, it wasn't the heated sessions or slick PowerPoints that drove debate among the attendees, but rumors of China's latest territorial claims, of 251-line that extends over almost all of the Pacific Ocean, that created the most buzz. According to a report on the website Elite Readers, a clicky website that reports viral-styled news, Beijing is now claiming Hawaii and most of Micronesia. Delegates to the conference furiously began to share the article through various social media channels.